Hi guys! In the Instagram application on your profile page, switching to this third tab allows you and anyone who can see your account see the photos where you were tagged. But what if you wish to hide some photos from this section? It's very simple. You just need to tap on the photo you wish to hide, then tap on these three dots at the top right, go to tag options, and you can remove yourself from the post or hide from your profile. But it seems Instagram has some bug. Let me show you what I mean. Let's go to settings, three bars at the top right. Now scroll down to tags and mentions and go to review tags. By default, you should see photos where you were tagged, even if you have hidden the photos in this section. But you haven't been tagged. That's what I see. I can't restore my photo and show it in my profile back. I hope they will fix this bug later. Let's go back to tags and mentions. You can don't allow tags to anyone, allow tags from people you follow. You can manually approve tags and specify who can mention you. And that's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.